What's up? It's Sweets, and I'm back with another episode of The Early Bird Gets the Worm. Yeah, in today's topic, we're going to talk about recycling, money managing, and hustling. Let's get to it.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip with a
Cheddar Squad.
You have a drink? You have a drink? Okay. You don't have to drink.
I got the water.
Oh, fuck it. Okay.
That's all I got. We done had a sip if I wouldn't have came back out last night.
Oh my God, guess what, y'all? We got a problem. We got a problem.
What
We rich.
We rich?
Yeah, but
It's a
we
problem?
want to, yeah.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Stop it.
Three stores. What's the thingy?
What thinking?
Dispatcher.
The dispenser.
Yeah.
What, it didn't work?
Nah, when they
Oh, yeah,
on.
we went to,
Yeah, but it was out.
Oh,
I told you what we did. I'm like, I went to the store so they can look at me and be like I'm stealing. Well, I ain't got no pockets or nothing. I went around the whole store. I seen that. How much we had?
we had,
Oh, fat
$10.
yeah. Sure
But it didn't
did.
seem like we had that many, though.
It didn't seem like it.
If they would have took them beer cans back, we wouldn't have had shit.
Ooh, I seen that putting all of them.
They said,
It said it really big. It said it really
on
big.
top of it.
It said no beer again. Man, oh.
You came in the house outside.
Now pull up.
Auntie Fluff.
Who's that first right here? It's 3 cents here. Okay, let's
She thought
just.
y'all was beefing last night. I said,
Do you
Auntie
think
Fluff
we'll
ready
be
to
able
go.
to go
We in
to,
this bitch?
like I asked you think we'll go, what's that?
What?
I said it right.
What she talking about?
The groceries, the thingy, you're going out.
When you go in and out?
Oh, we went the other day.
Mm.
Kroger's.
Mm. Motherfucker. And we gonna get in and we gonna get out, okay?
Oh,
It's a bee in here?
no, that's your phone ringing, man.
My phone ringing.
Oh, it's hers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He gone, Auntie Flo.
Oh, no, he ain't.
She about to go in. They about to catch her. She said, "Hey y'all." Oh shit! Here come this nigga. He think he my man. This one right here. He think he my man. He think he my man because he bought me a coffee. How you doing? You got it. You got it.
No, I said my watch.
You said your watch.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, okay. That's nice. How you doing today?
You alright? Where y'all going? Your flow hang out.
Yeah, I'm about to work.
Good job. Where you gonna get me? What you got on? Booty shorts, huh? Showing everything.
Absolutely.
Oh, you getting smart?
Mm-mm.
I'm in a good mood.
Getting smart?
I'm in a
What
good
you trying to call me dumb?
mood. No, I don't call nobody dumb.
You think I'm going from dumb to smart? That's what you just said. You said I'm getting smart.
Have a good day. Tell it right there. Have a good day, baby. Let me go.
All right.
Yeah, let me go around the corner for a minute.
You out of here?
Yeah, around the corner.
All right. That's a nice little watch right there.
Thank you. What you?
What's that, a Rollie?
No, I don't go wear it around here. These niggas. I got it rolling, but you know, I don't wear it like that.
Okay.
It's expensive watch, you know.
Yeah. What's that? Nevada? It's just expensive, huh?
Fozy. A Foozy.
A Fozy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Man, floating all these balls. That where y'all
Where's she
going?
going?
Kmart, Kroger, y'all. Yeah. Look fool. You drunk? Give me here that liquor. Get like you. Drunk. Like it.
All right now.
Been alright?
Yeah, I can't complain. I'm blessed.
See, I was hungry, y'all. Y'all want to help me out? I'm
You-
shooting dice and they, you know.
You
got dirty.
homeless.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I was about to say, you don't look homeless.
No, I said I'm hungry. My stomach like, whoa.
Oh my gosh, you about yo shit about to eat your back.
You know, give me a sandwich or something?
I'll give you some of these hot Cheetos.
What the fuck? Be sweating, them motherfuckers. 90 degrees.
You don't know hot Cheetos?
Yeah, no.
Auntie Flo, you gotta open that shit up. Pull it up.
Pull it up, Flo. Okay, I ain't no motherfucker. Help me, man. Flo.
Help her out.
I want my.
You got your mic?
Wait a minute, hello. No wonder why I get.
All right, so I get a sandwich, y'all. Y'all come back. What kind of sandwich? Oh,
I don't know where I'm gonna get a sandwich from.
would you give me a sandwich right quick?
A
I'll pay
sandwich?
you. Yeah.
You gonna pay me to go get you a sandwich? You supposed to just pay me for my time.
Okay. But still, you know, pay for your time.
Yeah,
Hell of
absolutely.
time. What time is it?
Time for you to pay.
Hey, you know, I gotta pay, motherfucker. Fuck me up with them.
I'm fucking with you.
I did want a sandwich, but I'm all luck there.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I'm starving.
You gonna be my sandwich? You want a sandwich? What you want? Burger King, McDonald's?
No, I don't eat Burger King.
What you eat?
So, y'all think we made it to Kroger's? Stay tuned for part 2.
Here they come. Did you
Yeah.
get your shit?
No. Where do we go?
Everybody got the water. What? Everybody got the water. Who found some money? You found some money?
Hell yeah.
Go ahead, I'm on the side. I'm on the way.
Where my money at? No, side money. How you pick it up?
Yes, sir. Put your ass up. Oh, here we go, my man.
Go on the floor now. I got it.